Indian government's institute offers blockchain training in multiple cities. The National Power Training Institute, under India's Ministry of Power, is offering blockchain training in multiple cities throughout the country. Participants will learn about blockchain technology, its use cases, smart contracts, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and even mining. Also read, Regulatory Roundup, New U.S. Crypto Bill, France's first approved eco-Muslim crypto. National Training Institute's blockchain program. The Indian government's National Power Training Institute (NPTI) has organized a program entitled Blockchain Technology to take place at various NPTI locations. 3 of them have already been scheduled. One will be on January 6–10 in Nangal, followed by one on Feb 17–21 in New Delhi, and then on March 16–20 in Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh. The 5-day program consists of 14 sessions, a lab, hands-on experiments, and open discussion. Among the topics attendees will learn a blockchain, its use cases, smart contracts, ledgers, the Ethereum framework, the concepts and applications of cryptocurrency, the integration of crypto and blockchain, Bitcoin, and mining. The program is organized by NPTI and sponsored by All India Council for Technical Education (AICTE) Training and Learning (ATL) Academy. The widespread popularity of digital cryptocurrencies has led the foundation of blockchain, which is fundamentally a public ledger to share information in trustworthy and secure way. The program's overview reads: Blockchain technology is an emerging technology suitable for decentralized and transactional sharing of data across a large network of untrusted participants. By using this technology, one can maintain continuously growing list of records called blocks and link them in a distributed manner, blockchain, potentially in such a way that these are secured against tampering. Considering the growing importance of blockchain technology and its potential in different sectors, this 5-day training program is planned and sessions would be delivered by experts from the industry. Prior to the 3 scheduled courses, the NPTI organized 2-day workshops and a 5-day blockchain technology program in September at its headquarters in Faridabad. Its website details. The NPTI is a national apex body for training and human resources development under the Indian government's Ministry of Power. It currently has 9 locations throughout the country, in Faridabad, New Delhi, Nangal, Neyveli, Durgapur, Guwahati, Nagpur, and 2 in Bengaluru. 2 more locations are being established in Alapura and Shivpuri, which will soon be operational. Registration is free and each course can have up to 50 participants. The target audience for the blockchain program is postgraduate students, faculty members, and PhD researchers of AICTE-affiliated educational institutions. The Power Ministry was where Subhash Chandra Garg was assigned to after he left the Department of Economic Affairs. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi reshuffled his cabinet soon after Garg's interministerial committee submitted a draft bill to categorically ban cryptocurrencies, except state-issued ones. Garg has since resigned from the Power Ministry. Growing number of blockchain courses. According to the list of programs on the AICTE website, there are many other crypto and blockchain related courses organized by various educational establishments throughout India. The National Institute of Technology, NIT Puducherry, for example, is hosting a 5-day national workshop from December 27 to 31 on blockchain application development using Hyperledger and Ethereum. Among the topics covered in this workshop are cryptocurrencies and exchanges. Other educational establishments offering blockchain programs include JNT University, Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, University Vishveshvaraya College of Engineering, and Bangalore University. A number of institutes in the state of Kerala also offer blockchain-related programs including the Government College of Engineering, Adi Shankara Institute of Engineering and Technology, and Kochi University of Science and Technology. Kerala's Information Technology Secretary Shri M. Sivasankar recently said that the state plans to produce 20,000 blockchain experts in the next 2 years. The Indian government-backed learning platform Swayam also offers courses on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, one of which is scheduled to start in February. What do you think of the National Power Training Institute offering a program on blockchain technology in various cities across India? Let us know in the comments section below. Disclaimer: this article is for informational purposes only. It is not an offer or solicitation of an offer to buy or sell, or a recommendation, endorsement, or sponsorship of any products, services, or companies. Bitcoin.com does not provide investment, tax, legal, or accounting advice. Neither the company nor the author is responsible, directly or indirectly, for any damage or loss caused or alleged to be caused by or in connection with the use of or reliance on any content, goods or services mentioned in this article. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.